Hey gang, Nick Slotta here. Wanted to talk to you today about health insurance for truck drivers, for owner operator truckers, for trucking company business owners. I know, um, most of my insurance videos have been about the commercial auto, what you need to get your authority active, the cargo, the liability, the general liability, trailer interchange, things like that. But very rarely do you hear a video talk about the other insurance that's important to you, like maybe life insurance or health insurance and things like that. So, as an agency owner, one of the things I'm trying to do to be more valuable to my clients and prospects and truckers of America is figure out how to be a comprehensive insurance agency to where I can offer every type of insurance that any trucker would possibly need, to include the health insurance, the life insurance, and so on and so forth. So I'm getting there. I got the commercial auto down pat. I got the life insurance now, so I can offer it. Don't You don't have to be a trucker, but I can offer my clients or prospects different types of life insurance products that are pretty easy, simplified issue, meaning you don't have to take a medical exam. You don't have to have any blood drawn. You don't have to, uh, you know, do anything. No physical, nothing like that. And you can just put, a few pieces of information, and you'll get a quote for life insurance, and then you can purchase it right then and there, and get it issued, and you're good to go. Um, I've got access to dental insurance for truck drivers or for anybody. I say truck drivers because that's who, I'm a trucking insurance agency, and I cater to the transportation industry in most of America. Licensed in most states. If I don't have a license in a state, I have somebody that I can refer you to that is. So pretty much can cover all of America with the help of my partner agencies. But so dental insurance is an option now, vision insurance, things like hospital indemnity, accident insurance, things like that I have access to go along with the life. I'm working on the medical insurance. So if you need health insurance, I'm working on getting contracted with the insurance companies, like whether it be Humana, United Healthcare, Aetna, companies like that, to be able to offer truckers health insurance. Usually, from my experience, most of the truck drivers, my clients, probably have their insurance through their spouse. If they have a spouse that has a day job, a regular job, and that company that their spouse works for offers benefits, they're usually signed up under their spouse's policy. But there's a lot of truck drivers out there that don't have insurance, or they're single, they don't have a spouse, so they don't have anybody to jump on, and they're just either, maybe they're going with the health exchange, their state plan, Obamacare, or whatever you want to call it, um, or something else. But sometime soon, I will have an option for health insurance for truck drivers and more, and everybody else. But what I wanted to mention, something that I got going on right now that I think is fantastic, whether you have insurance or not, is a new pharmacy benefit, a way to get prescription drugs. Even if you have health insurance and you're on a prescription, you have a plan where you can get prescriptions through your health insurance. That's great, but prescriptions cost money. Most prescriptions cost money, and I got hooked up with a company that offers 90% of all generic prescription drugs for both acute and chronic illnesses for free. Like 90% of all the generic drugs are free. It's an incredible deal, especially if you're somebody that goes and gets a prescription on a regular basis, on a consistent basis. You understand these things, are very expensive. So it's a membership thing. You pay once a month. If you're an individual, it's less than $20 a month. So you pay $20 a month to be a member with them, and you get 90% of all generic drugs for free. If you want to choose the family plan, whether it's you and somebody, you and a spouse, or you and your spouse and children, it's $30 a month. Less than $30 a month. It's like $29.95 or something like that. And $30 a month, an entire family can get 90% of the prescription drugs for free. And we're talking about all the major pharmacies accept this plan. Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, you name it. Most everybody takes this, so you can't go anywhere without being able to get a prescription for free with this plan, 90% of them. So I think it's a tremendous offer. I'm going to start offering it to everybody that I talk to. It's a really good deal. So, I mean, if you're somebody that does not, if you're not on a maintenance medication, you don't take meds every month, and you don't get sick very often, it's probably not for you. But if you're taking drugs every month or on a fairly consistent basis, then this would be the plan for you. And for only $20 a month individual, $30 for a family, you really can't beat that price and to get those free drugs. So I'm going to have the first link below in the details is going to be a link to the page where you can get a little bit more information, where you can sign up. You just pick your plan, individual or family, put a little personal information in there, name, address, date of birth, things like that, and then put in your payment information, and then boom, you're signed up, and they're going to bill you $20 every month, and they're going to send you a card, and you're going to be able to take that to the pharmacy and get 90% of generic drugs for free. Really, really good deal. Hopefully you find this helpful. Feel free to share it with anybody that you think might need it. Subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber. My goal with this channel is to educate the truckers of America. And just give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate you. If there's anything I could do for you, comment below. I'll be happy to help you.